Hello. Today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the pitaka case for our iPhone 16 Pro. It's also available in the 16 standard model, I think, and the 16 Pro Max and. So it's possible to get this pitaka case for the complete bunch of the iPhone 16 family out there. It's a case which is compatible with the MagSafe system. It's thin and light for the iPhone 16 Pro case, with a Caseless Feel 600D Aramid Fiber Woven, ultra slim case in black gray Twill. It looks really cool, and it's also available over the horizon, Milky Way galaxy, sunset, and moonrise. We have here premium materials, the woven from Aramid Fiber, a strong yet light material commonly utilized in aerospace and military gear. The iPhone 16 Pro case provides exceptional strength, lightness, and resistance to scratch, corrosion, and discoloration. Unlike carbon fiber, it will not interfere with the signal, and it is non-conductive, offering a long-lasting protection for our phone. And it's crafted using the amber magnet film technology. The case for the iPhone 16 Pro boasts an incredibly slim and light design, ensuring our iPhone 16 Pro maintains its sleekness while providing a top-notch protection. And it's designed to improve the user's extra hold and comfort with the unique 3D grip technology. Smooth but not slippy. The rim of the back of the phone is crafted through the chamfering process, which looks more slim and stylish while ensuring a comfortable hold, and fully compatible with MagSafe system and accessories. And of course, it's compatible with the Pitaka MagEase Car Mount Pro, and the MagEase Slider, and the MagEase Grip, etc. Due to MagSafe, the slim board technology, the case for the iPhone 16 Pro offers the same wireless charging speed as without a case. And take care, it's only compatible with the iPhone 16 Pro 6.3 inches. In this case, the rim on the front is polished through zero gapping, with a round edge design to avoid sharp edges. This protects the phone's front screen and allows us to apply a screen protector, which is not included. And if you do that, you will have a 360 protection. Aramid fiber with high tensile strength and low density is widely used in making high-end composition products that are strong yet light, such as bulletproof vests, spacecraft parts, bunker suits, and cables. And carbon fiber is lighter and stronger than almost all kinds of metal. It's used to make the body and the wings of airplanes, small components, unmanned aerial vehicles, and sports cars, and so on. And, of course, it's part of our cases. It stays sleek, it stays secure, because it's ultra-slim cases for our iPhone. And it's sleek and secure at the same time. We enjoy the ultra-thin, sleek design, now with upgraded protection for peace of mind. It reduced the exposure for added protection. It covered to prevent scratches. And incredible slim and light. The amber magnet film technology uses a special coating process to form a coating on the surface of the magnets, thus making the case thinner and lighter. Minimal 0.63 Rs, minimal 0.03 inches. That's cool. And we have a slim yet robust. The woven from Aramid fiber, a strong material commonly utilized on aerospace and military gear. The case provides exceptional strength, lightness, discoloration, and scratch resistance at the same time, and strong magnetic strength. Securely attached to a MagSafe accessory with built-in powerful permanent M52SH magnets. The ultra slim case for the iPhone 16 comes with 17.5 N. The ultra slim case for the iPhone 15 is 14 N. So you see, that's better, really much better, because this is the pitaka case. It's compatible with MagSafe Thin and Light. It's for iPhone 16 Pro with Caseless Feel with 600D Aramid Fiber Woven. Ultra slim case, in this case in black and gray Twill. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.